everyone, and thanks for joining me today. This box of loveliness turned up yesterday, but I had to do another video, so I am a day behind on things arriving. And this box is from the wonderful Lynn, and it is just full of, oh my goodness me, breathtakingly wonderful things. As all of your things are the same. They are just absolutely gorgeous, and you have all worked so hard. I'm so proud of you all and so appreciative, and I'm honestly speechless every day when the post arrives. Right, Charles, you're gonna have to move, my little baby. I am actually speechless at everything that you're all sending in. Just so thoughtful, you know, wonderful gifts and cards and ephemera and bits and pieces to put in the journals, and oh my goodness me, just so much. So let me show you. I haven't got much battery left on my phone, so I'm just hoping I manage to get through this. So she has put in some paper clips with ribbon on. Great. I have an ephemera box now, and these are going to go in there, so I can, when I get round to doing the journals, I can then you know, put bits and pieces in them. So there's some wonderful ribbon paper clips. Thank you so much, Lynn. Yeah, I know you've all worked so hard. Look at these. I cannot believe this. Look at these wonderful bookmarks. Right, move over that side a bit, sweetheart. There you go. Look at these. They are just, oh my gosh, wonderful, with these beautiful charms on the bottom, and so inspiring for me to, you know, get my butt into gear. Truly, honestly, these are just, look at these little charms. Look at that little tassel. Isn't that cute? I've never seen such a cute little tassel. That is just super cute. Look, they're just wonderful. So these are going to go in the journals probably. Look at that. It says home on it. And look, a little camera. I love them. I have lots of charms and lots of card, and I need to do some like this as well. Look, I mean, seeing all these, you're so talented and so clever, and it's just inspiring me to get my, you know, bits and pieces out. And oh my gosh, in fact, actually, I've got a whole list now of things that I want to do, because you guys have inspired me so much. I mean, these are just fantastic. So they're the bookmarks. They are just phenomenal. I love them. Right, let me pop that over there. She also put in, look, some little hearts that I can pop in with some of the gifts. Little wooden hearts. I would burst into song with the Elvis song, but I better not, because I only know the German version. I can't sing anyway. So there's some gorgeous hearts. And look at these tags. Oh my goodness me. Sorry for the rustling, guys. Look at these amazing. Oh, they're just beautiful. Look. Aren't they beautiful? How do you do these? I've never done anything with MDF, but these are just, they feel good as well. They feel really like, oh, I just love the feel of them. I've never done anything. I'd love to know how you do these. I don't know if my cutter would even cut MDF, but look at these beautiful thank you tags. Aren't they just, oh my gosh, just delicious, Charles. Look at these. So there's the tags. This box, it just bursting with loveliness. I'll show you that in a minute, but look at these cards. I mean, I was saying to Charmin, actually, I said, I'm just really like blown away with just how talented you are. I mean, look at this card, right? It's got like the metal decorative, oh my god, and these little flowers, and oh my gosh, they're just full of yumminess. I mean, look at these. I mean, I didn't even know you could get gold doilies unless you've cut them out yourself. Oh, that's that way round. Yes, Charlie, they can see you there. They can see you trying to get attention. And actually, I've got some little frames. I'm sure I do. And I've never used them. Not as pretty as this. My frames. Oh, look. Live your life. And look at the little butterfly in there. Oh, gosh. I hope you can see just how beautiful. Look, never give up. Brilliant. And there's all these lovely flowers around the edge. There's just so many beautiful, beautiful. Look, dreamer. Dreamer, another one. I love these colours. I don't think I would like have done much in orange, but look at these colours. Aren't they just? And I love these butterflies. Where did you? Oh, I've just seen that little clock. Oh my gosh. Where do you get these little things on these frames and these little I wouldn't even know what you call them, decorative metal, just gorgeous. Make a wish. Look at this little steampunky sort of one. I'm just getting all the cards out first, but aren't they just outstandingly beautiful? So let me just move them up to one side for a minute. And then there are lots and lots of beautiful plaques. I'm not going to get them all out. There's 2 in that one. And these ones have like a little peg on them. That one I'll push it in back. And they're just like little MDF decorative plaques. They're just gorgeous. Look at this heart plaque. How do you do these? These are just beautiful. I mean, look at these hearts. I'm going to get one out and show you, actually. Oh, they're just stunning. Look at this one with that. I've got some of these, actually. Aren't they just beautiful? Honestly. You know, I am so super excited. Seeing all these gifts come in, and I had the gift bags come yesterday, which, let me just grab one. I actually ordered 2 sizes, this size, which is great, and I did order a couple of 20 big ones, which they're overkill. They're like massive, they're like this big, but I did go and order another 60, so I think I've got 120 bags coming, but I ordered the other ones in gold and green and blue, so we've got different colors coming. But seeing all these gifts now and being able to, I was done some of the cards. I did about 50 cards on Sunday. I'm going to do some more cards later and just put the bit in the inside, and the, you know, put the poem, not the poem, the letter as well. But look at these butterflies, and you've got like it's a little memo hold it note thingy. And there's these ones. Move them there. I shall pull that one out, and then there's another plaque there, and another one there. Look, is it time to go home? And then some more of these beautiful cards. Let me just grab those for a second. Live with simplicity. Do what makes your soul shine. Live your life. I just love these. I do not know where you find them. Look at these. Where do you get them from? Please tell me. And these little, oh my gosh, these are just beautiful, like little resin flowers. Oh, just delicious. Just delicious. Absolutely outstanding. So let me put all these nice and safely away. I do not want them to get damaged. And then look at this. It's a flip book, and isn't it just, look, and it's, if you look, there's so many, look, there's a little butterfly there, and there's a little, look at that key. Oh, you guys, where do you, no, honestly, where do you get these gorgeous, gorgeous, look at this, look, more of these lovely flourishy metal. Look at the little angel wings, and these angel wings are just, look at that. This is just stunning. I mean, honestly, you know, I saw the photos that she put on, that Lynn put on the group, but, you know, and everybody, the photos that, and then when the things arrive, they are far more beautiful in person than they're already beautiful on thing, but they are far more beautiful to hold them and see them. And I know that these gifts are going to touch so many people, so thank you so much. Look at its little pockets here, and it says believe in yourself, reach for the stars, written in the stars. You've got some little pull out, you know, writing things. I'm a dreamer, dream, future. Look at the Pegasus. Is that what you call them? Oh, it's a unicorn, isn't it? Pegasus. Isn't he beautiful? Look. It would be wonderful if you saw them flying around the sky. Dream a little dream. And it is just beautiful. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love everything. And then, as if that wasn't enough, she has put in a very large bag of key rings. I'm not going to get them all out, but look how lovely these key rings are. Look, this one's got, look, oh, it's a cat on a starry night with a little owl. Charlotte, oh, that one is adorable. Oh, I didn't even see that one. I've had a look through these, but I didn't see the Pussycat one. And then you've got, like, little cabochons. And oh, it's the Alice in Wonderland. That's the Alice in Wonderland one. And then you've got, oh, it's a little dragon. Is he a dragon? Wow, that's lovely. That would be a lovely man's one. Lovely dragon keyring. Oh, and butterflies. I could just look at these things all day long. Look, with the angel wings. And then you've got, look, the stars, and then the sun. Oh, these are lovely. And so much thought has gone. Oh, look. So she's got travel one with the choo-choo train. It's a choo-choo train, Charlie. Oh, look at that. And that's really gorgeous. Oh, look at the, oh, look, it's a little dream catcher. I have to get them out now, don't I? Look at them. I love them. Oh, there's another Pussycat. Oh, there's a Pussycat. Oh, that is just beautiful. And then they're just all so yummy, rather yummy. We've got another one here with the sun and moon, with a moon. And then this one has, oh, London. That's cute, isn't it? And then a little, like a weather, northwest, east, south. Oh, and a butterfly. What's on that one? I will. Oh, these are going to be lovely. I want a little Paris, a little Eiffel Tower. Oh, I've just seen some binoculars. Oh, these are just so sweet. They are really so sweet. Lynn, thank you so much. These are just, oh look, and that one's got like a little clock on it, and oh, these, I could look at these all day long. They are just beautiful, 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 beautiful. Thank you so much, Lynn. I love everything. as I do love everybody's things, that everybody has worked so hard, and you have put so much love and effort into... Be careful with those, Chanel. There's there. You have worked so hard to send these gifts. And I forgot to show you. She also put in a little note, and she said that she made this for me. Now, I'm going to read this out because I've never done this kind of work, so I don't know. She says she has made this from a skin from an acrylic pour, then put it under a clear cabochon. I'd never say that right. Then put it into the bronze casing. Oh, it's just beautiful. I want to get a chain, a bronze chain, so that I can wear that, and I will wear this. I think this is just, I don't know if this is actually picking it up as beautiful as it is. It's just almost like unicorn colours. That's what I would call it. It's these beautiful blues and pinks. I don't know if that's focusing. Oh, I'm not sure, but it's just very beautiful. Thank you so much. I really do absolutely love it. Absolutely love them. So thank you so much, Lynn, for everything. Honestly, I love everything. So thank you. I will treasure this, and I know that everybody will treasure the gifts that have been sent in that we're going to be giving out. So thank you so much. Thank you for all your hard work. I will be back tomorrow, as I had some more parcels arrive today, but my battery won't last. I know it won't. I've got another quick video to do, and then I will be back tomorrow with some other things that have arrived. So thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. Take care for now. Bye bye.